So since I dyed my hair pink, I decided to do a makeup tutorial inspired by Barbie, and it's a soft wearable look. So I'm gonna start by prepping my skin and then mixing my foundation with a little bit of liquid highlighter, and I'm applying it with a beauty blender because it's gonna give me more of a flawless skin. Then I'm gonna conceal my eyes and make sure you don't have any dark circles because you want your skin looking perfect and plastic-like. Then I'm gonna contour my cheekbones, and I'm using Shade and Light palette from Kat Von D, and I'm also gonna contour my nose, and it's very crucial for this look because Barbie has a cute tall nose. Then I'm gonna apply a pink highlighter on the cheekbones. I'm using pink from Lime Crime, and also on the Cupid's bow, nose bridge, and chin. Seal under my eyes using a loose powder so I don't have any fine lines and the concealer stays put. And I'm also gonna powder the T-zone. Hot pink blush, and I'm applying it to the apples of the cheeks. Applying my eyeshadow primer. And then I'm gonna move on to filling in the brows. I decided to lighten the color a little bit, so I'm taking a light shadow and filling them in, and then going over them with some mascara, which is lighter than my brows. Then I'm taking the color Passion, which is a hot pink. I'm applying it on the crease, on the inner part of the eye. Then I'm taking some purple and I'm applying it to the outer crease. Then I'm taking some concealer and I'm creating my cut crease look, cleaning the moving lid, and trying to keep my line as sharp as possible on the crease. Then I'm taking a pink metallic color and I'm applying it all over the concealer on the moving lid. Then I'm applying my purple on the lower lash line as well and connecting it with the top one. Applying my eyeliner. Some mascara, and I'm letting it dry. Then I'm taking a natural lip pencil and lining the lips and shaping them. And then I'm applying a fuchsia lipstick all over and making the lines nice and clean using a lip brush. Applying some nude pencil in the waterline to make my eyes look big. Then I'm applying some falsies. I'm measuring them on my eye, cutting them so they fit, and gluing them on. And this is your final look. Thank you for watching.